One of my problems for the physics video assignment, I just want to clarify a couple things at first. This right here is a subsystem. This is also a subsystem, and this is also a subsystem. And I have 6 rules. V equals IR, which is also Ohm's law. R equals V over I. A equals VR. And if parallel resistors, voltage is the same. The junction rule. And if on the same line, amperage is the same. This is my grid. I will be going over each part of it. So I'll be starting at R7 and working my way up. So to start at R7, 30 over 6 equals 5 using R equals V over I. So I'm using number 2. R6, I know that because if parallel resistors voltage is the same, that 30 is the voltage in R6 because they are in parallel. So, and then I'm given 10, so 30 divided by 10 is 3, using R equals V over I. Then R5, which is in its own subsystem with nothing else, I'm given 24 voltage. And I know that the amperage is 16 because of the junction rule, that where if you find an amperage at one spot, it's the amperage in one subsystem. It's the amperage for the entire circuit, because the amperage runs through the entire circuit at the same the current runs through the entire circuit at the same amperage. So then 24 over 16 using number 2 equals 3 over 2. Then on R4 I use number 1, V equals IR, and number 4, which is if parallel resistors voltage is the same. I get 2 times 4 is 8. Moving up to R3, I shouldn't be able to solve for that yet. So I move up to R2. I can go 4 times 3 equals 2 using V equals IR, and also using number 4 if parallel resistors. So I know that in this subsystem A, that the voltage is 12. So I can say that R1's voltage is 12, R2's voltage is 12, and R3 and R4 combined, their voltage is 12. So if I know that R3 and R4 combined is 12, then I know that the voltage of R3 is 4. Then I have the current of 2, because of if on the same line amperage is the same, number 6. And I can do V equals IR. Not V equals IR. I can do R equals V over I. And then on R1, I'm moving up to that. I know I can see what my current is so far. I have currently 6 current because I have 2 because the current is the same in that, because they're on the same line. And then I have 4, so that's 6 current. So I know that there's 10 current left, and that has to go up in R1. So 12 over 10 is 6 over 5. Then I can add it up, and since each subsystem has one voltage drop, then I can go 30 plus 24 plus 12 equals 66, because that's the total voltage drop in each subsystem. Then I know that is 16 amps because each subsystem has 16 amps running through it. And then to get resistance, I can divide 66 over 16 to get 4.125. Thank you for watching.